Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. Today we've got a car phone mount to open up and test out. It's really budget friendly. If you do end up liking it, I'll pop a link in the description so you can get your own. So let's open this thing up and check it out. Alright guys, so here we go. This is Andobil brand. So right away we've got the actual mount for the phone, and there it is. This is a carbon fiber look. It looks super slick. It looks, whoa, wow. That was kind of cool. Okay, so you get the actual phone mount, you get the phone mount, you get the suction cup thing, which looks very high quality, of course, with different angle adjustments that you can make to it to get whatever kind of angle you want while it's in your car. Definitely a high quality looking. I've dealt with some cheap suction cup mounts. That is definitely high quality. This is a little ball joint screw. Obviously there's a ball joint on there. And the one that I'm going to be using is the air vent clip, because it'll just sit there and clip right onto your air vent, and it looks super simple to do, and you actually tighten it down. That is so nice. That is just so nice. And then there's this thing. This is, oh. Okay, so this is something that if you want to stick this onto your dash instead of your windshield for the suction cup mount, you can go ahead and stick this onto it and it won't hurt your vehicle. It'll be to protect your vehicle. And this suction cup mount will stay on that, so you can mount it to your dash as well. A lot of different mounting options, which is absolutely fantastic. Let's go ahead and take this thing outside and see how it works. Alright, so to install the air vent clip on the back, it's as simple as unscrewing that, popping the little ball in. Oh, just kidding. It's as simple as unscrewing that. This needs to stay on. Pop the ball in and you tighten it down. Now once it's tightened down, you can loosen the vent clip. Let's see. Alright. Alright, and then you just put it over the vent, and then you tighten this part down, and it is now on there. Very, very stable. And so all you have to do to open it up to take your phone in, hit the two buttons on the sides, it springs open. You can put your phone in there and then you just kind of squeeze it until it locks your phone into place. Obviously I'm using my phone to record, so I won't be able to, but it's that simple and easy. They've got really soft rubber pads on the sides, so that way it'll keep your phone protected from scratches. There's foam pads on the inside of the clip so you don't scratch up your air vent. Everything is just very high quality, well made, beautiful design, and I definitely would recommend this product. It's super easy. I think you guys will like it. Alright guys, so the Andobil, one of those, the car mount is very nice guys. It's so simple, anyone could set it up. It's universal, could fit in literally any car, and it's definitely high quality. It's not something you're gonna have to worry about breaking. Yes, there's cheaper ones out there, but you get what you pay for, and in this case it's not that expensive, and it's going to give you durability, it's going to last you a long time, and protect your stuff as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Again, if you like the product, I'll leave a link in the description. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you want to check out my last video, it's up there, and if you want to check out the random reviews playlist, it's going to be up there. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.